everybody, welcome to another video on Jack Attack's channel. And today I have a special guest, my sister. So today we're going to be doing the overnight challenge at IKEA. So
oh my god. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna get sick. Oh god, I feel like I'm gonna get sick. I'm done with it.
alright, switch cam.
Room for us to stay in. Oh, I found mine.
Hey, Amy, can I sleep with you?
Oh.
Okay, fine. I just pulled down a mattress.
Jack, don't.
My bedroom. Oh boy. Oh boy. The Amazon is real. There was literally just a worker right behind us.
There's too many workers around here. Let's go somewhere else.
Yeah. Alright. I'm gonna go somewhere else. There's too many people around here and we need to find a place. Ooh, should we go inside the emergency exit? Need to find mine. Cushiony? I'll just
Yeah,
hide.
we could just sleep in this corner. Right here. I don't think anyone would find us.
Right here. I could just
There's
squat.
literally a door behind here. I'm gonna go in there.
Alright, so Emmy thinks that there's a door right behind this wall, so. Hey, Emmy. Meh. I'm gonna go to the other side, so in 3, 2, 1. There you go.
Hello, we are now at the little things and like everyone's looking at us.
Yeah, we're trying to find a nice hiding spot.
Yeah, but it's not really working out.
Trust me, we have a couple more hours left, so it really doesn't.
Mr. Kretz is nuts. Mrs. Rippy is loopy. I love that stuff.
Hey, Emmy. They will easily see you.
Oh.
You could try.
Should I go under the couch? Okay, I'll go.
If someone tells you to get out, don't let
Oh, find me under here.
Ooh, this is my bed. But you're safe. Too bad.
Easily get on top of there.
There is a war. Hi. Guys, Emmy is hiding in the screen. Emmy, look right behind you. Emmy was just hiding in the green shelf right over there, so it was funny because a kid was looking right at her. And also a parent. Alright, so guys, we're gonna end the video right here. Emmy, you wanna say bye and hopefully we find a spot, right? Alright, we're gonna find a spot. See you guys.